We're going to talk about past simple verbs, regular past simple verbs. So for example, we have jump, and if we want to put that in the past simple tense, we add ed. Play, played. Paint, painted. All right, these are verbs in the past simple tense. They're regular verbs because they end in ed. All right, now let's start with affirmative sentences. All right, I jumped. You played football. They painted a picture. Those are affirmative sentences. Here are more examples. I jogged yesterday. We ice skated last week. They surfed last year. These are affirmative sentences. We only change the form of the verb in affirmative sentences. We only change the form of the verb in affirmative sentences. Not negative sentences and not questions. Okay? All right, so these are affirmative sentences. Let's change them to negative sentences. I did not, auxiliary verb, jog, infinitive form of the verb, auxiliary verb, infinitive form. I didn't jog yesterday. We did not ice skate. We did not ice skate last week. We use the auxiliary verb did not, the negative form, and the infinitive form of the main verb, ice skate. They did not surf last year. They did not, auxiliary verb, surf, main verb. Okay, so as you can see, infinitive, infinitive, infinitive. Okay? All right, so here we have some negative sentences. In English, we typically use the short form. I didn't jog. We didn't ice skate. They didn't surf. Didn't. didn't surf. All right. Now we are going to look at interrogative structures, questions. For questions, we need an auxiliary verb. Verbo auxiliar, que da auxilio. And in this case, it's going to be did. Did. Now, it's a bit strange to say I. Did I jog? Doesn't sound that good. Did you jog? Did you jog? Question mark. Remember, we use the infinitive form of the main verb in the question and in negative sentences. Did we or you you, vosotros, you, tú. Did you ice skate? Auxiliary verb did, main verb ice skate in the infinitive form. Okay? Did they surf? Did they surf? Auxiliary verb did, subject, infinitive form of the main verb. El verbo principal en infinitivo con las preguntas y las oraciones negativas. Short answers. Did you jog? Yes, I did. If the answer is affirmative, if the answer is negative, we say no, I didn't. Did you ice skate? Yes, we did. Or no, we didn't. Did they surf? Yes, they did. Or no, they didn't. What did you do yesterday? ¿Qué hiciste ayer? I rollerbladed yesterday. The main verb is conjugated. We change the form of the main verb to the past simple tense. Ed. I didn't ice skate. Negative. Here you can see we have the auxiliary verb didn't, did not, didn't, and the main verb in the infinitive form. Okay? Rollerbladed, conjugated, ice skate, infinitive. Did you surf? This is another question structure. What did you do yesterday? What? Question word. Did you surf? No, question word. Okay. Yes, I did. Here we can see that we have yes or no, the subject, which we change to I, and did. Did your sister ski? No, she didn't. Your sister, tu hermana. And we use the pronoun. No, she didn't. And the negative form of did in the short answer. All right? Here you can see that for the question we use the auxiliary verb did and the infinitive form of the main verb. Auxiliary verb did, infinitive form of the main verb. Auxiliary verb did, infinitive form of the main verb. In the affirmative sentence, we conjugate the verb. Rollerbladed. There is no auxiliary verb. There is no auxiliary verb. We conjugate the verb only in the affirmative sentence. Solo conjugamos el verbo en las oraciones afirmativas. I didn't ice skate. This is a negative sentence. We use the auxiliary verb did not, the negative form did not, didn't, and the infinitive form of the main verb, el verbo auxiliar didn't, y la forma infinitiva del verbo principal in the negative sentence. All right?